Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kaede and today in this video I will be sharing with you 3 tips how to set specific goals. So tip number 1, be specific. Avoid setting any goals that are too wide, too broad and too vague that you are not able to measure or define. So instead, set specific goals that are easier to define and also to measure. And why is that? It's because you need to know why you want to do it. What are the reasons? What steps you need to take towards to achieve your dreams or your goal. So it's very important, and the more specific you are, the more clarity you will get how to work towards it. So remember, clarity and being specific is the key. Second tip, use SMART criteria. SMART criteria is very useful for setting clear goals. The SMART criteria stands for S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, R, relevant, and T, time-bound. So for example, if you want to lose 5 kilograms in 1 month, what do you need to do? You need to work out. So you want to lose in 1 month, so you need to break down your workout for daily routine, for weekly routine. That's one example. Tip number 3, write down. Writing down your goals will help them, will make them more tangible and real. So use a journal or a planner or an online tool where you will be recording, documenting your goals, where you can go to your goals every single day and to see that you have taken the important, the specific steps towards your goal. And additionally, maybe you want to consider sharing your goals with your best friend or with your family members or with your mentor or your coach, because when you have a support group or a support person, they can help you to be more accountable towards your goal and encourage you to work on your goals. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and please share this video to your friends, to your family members, to anyone who you think that this will help them to achieve their goals. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already watched my other videos where I have talked about 4 tips how to stop procrastinating right now, and also my latest video where I have shared 3 tips how to step out of your comfort zone. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. So thank you, and bye. Bye.